Okay, hi guys, this is Hackison tutorial. Today I have came back with an extraordinary video. In this tutorial we are going to see about how to install VMware in Kali Linux machine. Okay, without an error we are going to install Kali Linux VMware in Kali Linux. Go to the official download link to download the latest VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, I will provide this download link in the description and you can get it there. Now Workstation Pro for Linux, and right down you could see the download option. Click on download now, and you can save this file after downloading. Already I have finished my download and I have pasted it here. After completing download, you paste it in your desktop or somewhere else you want. Open up your terminal. uh, okay yeah Open up your terminal and change your directory to desktop. And list out the contents in the folder. Now you have to give the super user power for your Kali Linux virtual machine bundle. For that, kindly note this command. Then hit enter. After that, you could say that it will in previous you could see this bundle will be in green color, and after giving the super user power, you could see it will change the color to yellow or some color. Depends upon your terminal color. okay Already I have given the super user power, so here also it is looking in yellow color, so that's not a problem. Just we will go around. Now you have to install the bundle by typing the following command. Sudo space dot slash the bundle name, the name of the bundle. And hit enter. It is extracting the VMware installer, and you should wait a little bit, some 10 seconds. It will start the VMware installer. It has started the VMware installer. You have to agree the license agreement and click next, and again you have to accept and next, and press next. Click on next, next. Here it is asking you for the license key, and I'm having a cracked the license keys over here, and I'll be uploading this and give the link in the description. You can get it over there. And click next. Here you could see that a message that the product is ready to be installed. Click on install and wait for few minutes to complete the installation. It may take around some 2 minutes to finish up the installation. Wait till that. And you could see this is the latest version of virtual machine. Wait. Now it's configuring the VMware to your machine. it's taking too much time. I think it may take around some 3 to 4 minutes. That's what the maximum time it would take. So wait until it complete. I'm using my default screen recorder, so I couldn't be able to pass the video. So you have to wait. Sorry for the inconvenience. Now it's configuring the VM network editor user interface. Yeah. Now it is configuring. It's going to complete the installation. the installation is fully completed, then click on close. Okay. Now see, yeah, you could see the icon over here. If you try to open it, you will be getting an error, definitely. Okay. Wait a minute, it's loading. Yeah. Okay. After that, I know you know about how to install these the OS, I mean the guest OS inside the Kali Linux. I mean inside the virtual machine. Okay, as usual procedure. Click on next, and you could choose an ISO image, and you can install it over there. That's all for today. We have successfully installed VMware inside our Kali Linux machine. Okay, if you got some error, you can definitely comment. You can definitely comment to this video. I will reply with I will reply how to